In a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2376, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, indicated that the one who spends in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, will be rewarded according to what they give. And he warned not to hoard, otherwise Allah, the Exalted, will withhold his blessings. It is important to note that one must only obtain and spend lawful wealth, as any righteous deed which has a foundation in the unlawful will be rejected by Allah, the Exalted, irrespective of one's intention. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2342. Just like the inward foundation of Islam is one's intention, similarly the outward foundation of Islam is obtaining and utilizing the lawful. In addition, this spending is not only through charity, but includes spending on one's own necessities and the necessities of their dependents, according to the teachings of Islam, without waste, excessiveness or extravagance. This is in fact a righteous deed, according to a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 4006. A Muslim should spend in a balanced way whereby they help others without becoming needy themselves. Chapter 17 Al-Isra, verse 29.
And do not make your hand as chained to your neck or extend it completely and thereby become blamed and insolvent.
A Muslim should donate regularly according to their means, even if it is a little, as Allah, the Exalted, observes one's quality, meaning their sincerity, not the quantity of a deed. Regularly donating a little is far better and more beloved to Allah, the Exalted, than donating a larger amount once in a while. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6465. It is important to note, as mentioned in the main narration under discussion, when one gives according to their means, Allah, the Exalted, will reward them according to His infinite status. But the one who holds back will find a similar response from Allah, the Exalted. If a Muslim hoards their wealth, they will leave it behind for others to enjoy while they are held accountable for it. If they misuse their wealth, it will become a curse and burden for them in this world, and a punishment in the next. Finally, this narration applies to all of the worldly blessings one has been granted, not just wealth. When one strives to use them in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, they will find peace of mind, success and an increase in blessings, as they have shown gratitude to Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 14 Ibrahim, verse 7.
And remember when your Lord proclaimed, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor."
And chapter 16 And now, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
This makes it clear that a Muslim does not need to be wealthy in order to gain blessings, peace and success in both worlds. They only need to use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, irrespective of how little these blessings are.